Welcome to this Junior's Gasoline Alley, where today we're going to be taking some new LED lights from Car Workbox. They're car lamp LEDs, and take my 2004 Chrysler Crossfire from having these hazy yellow halogen headlights to some nice bright and white LED lamps for about $40. So in this video, we're going to unbox these lights. I'll show you how they compare to the halogen lights that come out of it, and then we'll test out just how bright they are and letting you know my thoughts. So these LED lights that I got here are a pretty unique set because they're different than most in that when they come out of the box, you'll notice they don't have an external ballast, and the light itself is about the same size as a traditional H7 bulb. And that should allow these to install nice and smooth, considering I tried a set that did have a ballast and they didn't fit in my headlight. Now, something that's pretty cool, if we look really close and tight into there, it does have a fan on this LED bulb. I was wondering how these were going to cool down, but there is a fan. You just kind of have to look for it. You see that in there? Right there. But we've got these bright LED diodes on each side, the same pattern in the back, and it should also be error-free with a CAN bus on the inside. Now, your mileage may vary on how you get to your own light bulbs, but in my case, these are H7s, and your cover just comes off. And then once you're inside of there, you've got a small plug that comes out, this guy right there. And then there's going to be a little clip that you just press down, pull over to the side, and that is going to allow your light bulb to come out. Now, it's important to mention, give your light bulbs a chance to cool off before pulling them out. It's important, especially if you plan on reusing this, don't touch the glass part of the bulb. Your oils on your hand can actually affect the longevity of it. But when we compare these two, of course, we've got the same style base, same base shape. And then on the flip side, same connectors. And the final kind of change, as you can see, it is a little bit fatter, and we mount them both up to each other. The LED ever so slightly taller. Now, the LEDs are going to come where they can get mounted in two different positions. You can do either spot, but it's important that you keep the orientation of plug in the right spot, because as you place it in, you'll notice that is important for how the mount or the clip for the light bulb connect. So now I'm going to take this bulb and slide it into place. Get our connector out of the way, slide it in, and you'll see right down there, got the notch to make sure that it's placed into the mount just right. And there we are. And our last piece, got to plug it in, and these don't have polarity. So when you plug that in, doesn't matter, what's up or down. And now the real test comes on. I'm going to go ahead and turn our headlights on. Whoo! That's quite a bit brighter. It's a bit nicer. I like it. See halogen to the right, LED to the left. Not bad at all. And go ahead and repeat the process we did on the first light on the other side. Close your hood, and it's time to get in. See just how it looks. Let's hop into our car here, turn them on. Holy smokes. Look at how bright those are. And back up. Wow. What a difference. That's actually really incredible. It's not even completely dark out, and we've got street lights around, but holy smokes, look at how bright that is. That is just an incredible difference for what is truly not that much money. Man, I know I'm waxing on, but I am amazed. Make a huge difference. And it looks like I even need to angle them down a little bit because they're bright enough that just going off a bit further in the distance than I otherwise want. Boy, am I happy. Should mention as I drive back my house that this car doesn't have any error lights going on it. So it's clearly that CAN bus is working the way it should. So cool. As you can see here, the LEDs are still having the cutoff just like they should. And, it does have a bit of a hot spot in the center. Otherwise, gosh, they just look phenomenal. Color me impressed. And if you are too, I highly suggest you go through the link down in my description below. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it will ensure you get the exact lights that I used. And if you're like me, man, I'm just so happy. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and definitely check those lights out from the link down in my description below.